Hi everybody, this is Jimmy with Nclose, and I'm here to show you how to assemble the new Nclose Qsrkiosk. You choose from one of your three bases, printer, round, or clear counter. Each of them comes with the appropriate sheet metal base. So from there, you also have a top assembly. So there's two boxes, top assembly, bottom assembly. What you do is you notice there's 4 different holes on the actual tube assembly that are threaded. You will take this and you will put your plastic part on top of your tube in either situation. The clear counter, you'll do it a little bit different, but we'll get into that into installation. So if I'm going to choose my printer base, I'm going to take this, identify my holes here, go ahead and slide this down, make sure this is facing the way I want and doing the proper rotation, and then I take my 4 screws that come with a washer and lock washer, screw them in right here, and I'm ready to go. From there, you can push this down. However, I recommend securing your base to the counter prior to pushing this down. Thank you, and this is Jimmy with Nclose.